Hello everyone, cordial greeting, dear tutor. Danilo Cárdenas Erazo. My name is Juan Jairo Benítez, student industrial engineer. For this subject, strategy management in the day related in the health. Evidence of work by hand. Well, chosen strategy, horizontal integration. Horizontal integration refers to the process of increasing market shares or expanding through integration at the same level on the supply chain and with the same industry. Definition: it's a strategy adopted by a company when in the seek to offer in product or service in different markets. It is an existing option in the strategy management of companies when consider their work. Proposed case strategy. One of the clear objectives of implementing a horizontal integration strategy is to take advantage of the positioning that the Diamond supermarket already has. In addition to this horizontal integration strategy, the Diamond supermarket will be able to target different groups, which will allow it to cover a larger market. Thank you for all. Have a good day.